In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up multilingual support in Dialogflow. We're going to walk through enabling an additional language for an existing Dialogflow agent, so users can interact with your bot in the language they prefer. I'll keep things simple and clear, and along the way, I'll share useful context so you know exactly why each click matters. Start by opening your browser and searching for Dialogflow. Click the official Google Dialogflow link to open the console. If you're already signed in to your Google account, you should land right in the console. If you're prompted to sign in, use the account that owns the Google Cloud project where your agent lives. If you work across multiple accounts or projects, double-check you're in the right one so you don't change settings on the wrong agent. Once the console loads, look to the left sidebar where your agent's name appears above items like intents and entities. Next to your agent's name, click the gear icon. That opens the agent's settings, which is where language configuration lives. If you don't see the gear, you may need additional permissions in the project. Also, if your interface looks different, you might be using a different Dialogflow edition. The idea is the same, but the wording can vary slightly. Inside Settings, go to the Languages tab. Here, you'll see the default language your agent already uses. That default defines how Dialogflow currently interprets user input and formats responses. The goal is to add one or more additional languages without changing that default. Click Select Additional Language. A drop-down appears with supported languages and locales. Choose the language your users need. If there are region-specific options, pick the precise locale, since variations like Spanish for Spain and Spanish for Mexico can improve recognition and response quality. You may notice some labels like beta on certain languages. That simply indicates current feature coverage, so plan accordingly if you rely on advanced features. After selecting the language, click Save. Dialogflow now enables that language for your agent. From this point, you'll have the structure necessary to provide localized training phrases and responses so your bot can understand and reply appropriately in that language. Runtime integrations typically specify a language code such as EN, ES, or FR when sending requests. If your channel can detect language automatically, you can use that, but explicitly passing the right language often yields more reliable results. That's it. You searched for Dialogflow, opened the console, signed in if needed, opened your agent settings, went to Languages, selected an additional language, and saved. With multilingual support activated, you're set up to localize your content and deliver a more inclusive conversational experience.